Hello everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video. We're gonna be talking about some troubleshooting in Jira. Say suppose that your user has reported to you that they cannot actually see the board in Jira. Let's say it's this specific board that they cannot see and they want to have the access to this board. So what are the causes for this? There are several causes. The very first most cause is that they lack the Jira license. Okay, so this may sound trivial, but this is one of the causes because they cannot actually see the board, and they can actually see that when they try to access Jira, it redirects them to the Jira Service Management portal. So what actually this means? This means that they have access to the Jira Service Management as customers. So that's why they have, and they're being redirected to the Jira Service Management Jira Service Management portal. So that is one of the causes. The second cause that because they are not actually seeing this is because they haven't been added to the project. Let's say that they have access to Jira, access to Atlassian, but they still cannot see the board. Now, this is because they haven't been added to the project. So once the user gets added to the project, they should be also able to see the board. And let's say all of these things have been done, but still they cannot see the board. Two more possible causes. One is because the filter of the board has been recently changed, or the board itself hasn't been shared with the user. So what actually this means? So this means if you go to your configure board and if you go to the general, you scroll down, you will see this option in here that says filter permissions. Now if we added the permissions of this filter, each of these filters will have its owner, will have its viewers, and it will have its editors. The thing is, when it comes to the filter, is what have probably has been done is that this filter and the option for the viewers to be seen by everyone in this project, this might be changed to either some group that that is in there, and all of the users except that user that has reported this problem, the specific user, or it has been set to be private. So that's why they cannot actually see the board. The another reason why a user cannot see the board is because of the setting of the permissions. So it's when you actually go to the project settings and when you actually go to the permissions, one important permission that every user needs to have in order to actually see and interact with all of the issues on a specific project is this permission right here, browse projects. Now by default, when you actually create your project, browse projects is basically for any logged in user. So now this actually might create some of the security concerns, but don't worry about that because this can be changed pretty easily. But bear in mind that this is actually a default software permission scheme. So yes, you can have a different permission scheme for every project. So this really depends on what kind of security access, and this also depends on the sensitivity, on how sensitive the data within that within that project is in terms of security. So this can be changed and this can be applied, but in general these are the possible causes of why your user cannot actually see the boards. All right, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video, and that's it. Bye bye.